Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my video. In this video I'll be showing you how to make these amazing banana pancakes, and if you'd like to learn, please keep watching. So guys, for this recipe we need a cup of sifted flour. Always sift your flour. Then we'll go in with cinnamon and then 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Here I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt, and then I'm just going to mix them all together. These are the dry ingredients. Make sure you put all your dry ingredients in one place. Then in a clean bowl we're going to add half a cup of warm water. It's important to use warm water because the ingredients would mix in properly when you use warm water. Here I'm adding 4 tablespoons of powdered milk to the warm water, and then I'm going to mix it in gently. If you have liquid milk, please go ahead and use your liquid milk. Here I'm using half a teaspoon of flavor. I used butterscotch flavor. And so guys, I have one small gist for you. This morning when I woke up, I knew in my mind that it's pancake video I'm going to shoot next for my channel. So it was like early Saturday morning, and so I asked my husband if he was okay with pancakes for breakfast, and he was like cool, provided it to be ready before 7, because you know he's going out by that 7. And you know, it's one thing to actually just cook in the morning, it's another thing to cook and make videos while at it. Like, it takes so much time. But I was just like, let me see now, let me give it a shot. So I started. Guys, 7 o'clock, my pancakes were not ready. My husband wanted to para, like, very calm person, so his own para, you know, they too get energy like that. So I was not feeling very bad because he actually really needed to go out early and he was really hungry. So I was just like, oh my god, please help me, I have to finish quickly. So I just started rushing. I started doing what I had to do. In fact, in the process I actually forgot to shoot when I added eggs into this recipe. But guys, the egg is usually added with the wet ingredients. Please forgive me, I had to rush. In fact, when it was ready, he was already like, I'm leaving. I had to beg him, like, please just stay, just eat. It's already ready, you just need to wait for the water to boil, because I needed to make tea for him. Guys, it wasn't funny, but at the end of the day though, the pancakes were amazing. Like, he's not even a pastry person, but he loved it completely because it was so good. Even I have like a lot of pancake recipes that that I've used in the past, but this one really does make like a huge difference because it's really good. It's fluffy, it's not so sugary, it's amazing, like perfect combination of everything that you would like, guys. So please make sure you make this recipe and make sure you send your feedback to me via my Instagram. I have my handles, I don't know, somewhere on my screen. And also, the thing that really makes these pancakes really good is the fact that they have banana infused in them. I mean, it doesn't get more healthy than this for breakfast. So guys, make sure you try this because I'm very certain that your family are gonna love it. It's really good. Okay, that's the end of my gist, guys. Let me shut up now so you can focus on watching the video.